Last mile delivery is broken. It eats over 40% of total logistics costs, wastes time with missed deliveries, and invites theft. EndZone fixes it. Fast, smart, and secure. We manifest packages in bulk and move them to local hubs. Then we execute secure half-mile transfers with verified digital handovers, delivering them to neighborhood stores and lockers with full change of custody control. Our powerful orchestration web dashboard gives you full real-time traceability and 360 degrees visibility across every parcel and partner, your fleet or theirs. Total control in one screen. Customers get instant alerts via text, email, or WhatsApp with a secure QR code. They pick up on their schedule. AI-powered recipient verification guarantees the right person gets the right package. Zero errors, zero theft. Returns? Drop off at any location in the network. No repackaging needed. We consolidate returns into one smart, cost-saving flow. Our automated billing module tracks weight, volume, and storage time, so all partners receive the benefits correctly. Customers and merchants track everything live. The results? No more stolen packages. Reduced labor and drive time. Dramatically lower costs. Happier customers. Asset-light scaling with automated settlements. EndZone turns any local shop into a delivery powerhouse. Ready to transform your last mile? Visit endzone.delivery and schedule a strategy meeting. Easy delivery, total control, EndZone.